Meet Don. He's got a growing business. Sales are up, things are good, right? Almost. With this growth are some pains. Don needs more resources and support for the technology that powers his business. But he doesn't want to think about that stuff, and he doesn't know what he'll need. He wants just-in-time IT support, a secure place for his data, and he doesn't want to keep buying more equipment. He's heard about cloud computing and storage, but he doesn't really understand it. He knows his buddy Mark relies on the cloud for his business, so he asks him for help. Hey Mark, I've read about cloud computing, hosting, and cloud storage. You've mentioned how that's really helped your business, but I don't understand how it all works. Plus, it seems risky. My data and systems are critical. Sure, let's start with the cloud. Your data isn't floating around. It's actually in a very secure facility called a data center. That data center contains lots of computing horsepower and data storage available for rent. Plus, it has special features like backup generators, very fast internet and IT people who take care of everything around the clock. So your data and technology systems are very safe and accessible. In our case, as we grew, we needed more data lines, bandwidth, and servers. It was just getting too complex and costly on our own. At a data center, those costs are shared. It's like electricity. You'd never build a power station for your office. You just connect and use what you need. Cloud computing is just like that. I called some companies, but they expect me to tell them exactly what I wanted and have my own IT staff. I don't speak that language, and I know you don't either. So how did you get started? Well, I chose a provider right here at Virginia Tech Corporate Research Center, Brush Mountain Data Center. They specialize in helping growing businesses like ours. Why them? They offer really flexible options to store data and provide computing power, plus IT support services. It's like having a virtual IT staff you can rely on as much or as little as you need. We also leverage the CRC's multi-gigabyte internet pipes for incredible speed at no additional cost. The Brush Mountain team even helped me prepare for business disruptions, and I love their predictable pricing. Best of all, they took the time to get to know me and my business, and helped every step of the way. Just like working with Steve, our local banker. Yeah, banking locally gives me flexible support from people I know and trust. They know me and my business. Exactly. Brush Mountain Data Center is just like that. Don is relieved. Brush Mountain Data Center sounds like just the solution he was looking for. He'll have expertise and computing power wherever and whenever he needs it. He can even move his existing IT equipment over there and allocate valuable office space for the new employees instead. Now, he can get back to growing his business. To learn more, contact us today.